Hi, Jay's Audit family. So, the Ancestry DNA package, I got it. I'm totally wanted to try it. I hear a lot of things about it. I'm not sure, but you already know. I'm gonna try it, and then you guys will know exactly what it is. I don't know. I'm kind of iffy about it because sometimes no go so. Um, so let's see what this is all about. So this is it, guys. This is it. I know there's a bag. I don't know what this is. Oh, to spit in, I guess. Guys, so you have to put your spit in this.
And you have to go to hell.
And then you have to shake, put this in there, and then shake it. Hi everybody. This is an update for my DNA test, the kit that I sent in. So I haven't seen the results yet. So I'm gonna read it with you guys. So this is my first time seeing it, and yeah, you guys probably wondering. I'm not really happy right now, but as I promised you guys, I would have read it when I got the result. My baby passed away on April 3rd, and I'm lost for words. I'm numb, and everything that follows with that. He was only 2 months old, and he's gone. But in due time, I will do a video of how I'm feeling. The thing is, what I hate about this is everybody keep asking me if I'm okay. And I'm not okay, because a mother's love is just endless. And when you don't know what happened to your baby, yeah, it's just, everything is just wrong. I feel like there's so much evil in this world. This is it, guys. We're gonna click and see the results. Now, whatever the results are, I'm gonna make sure I eat or explore any one of those culture, because I love every kind of different food. Well, certain kind. So I can't wait to see what the results are. For the results, you guys already know that I was born in Jamaica. I am from Jamaica. My mom and dad is from Jamaica. So I don't know what it's gonna entail here. So let's get into this, guys. Okay. That's funny. Okay. So look what we got here. So it's South Asian, which is India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Okay, interesting. And China. Okay, this is very interesting. We have Congo, which is, I believe, is African. Yeah. Zimbabwe, South Africa, and all that. And Togo. This is West Africa also. And India, Mali, Ghana, Spain, Ireland, Scotland, and France. And Afro-Jamaican. Okay. So all of that is okay. Well, I'm not surprised of the results, but Afro, all that mix. I'm very excited to try all these different kind of foods. The India, the Bangladesh, all of that. I wasn't expecting that one. Okay, we got over all of these things. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Are you excited, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Okay. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.